G'day legends, and thanks for tuning in. This week's video, we're back on the Barra C1100 build, and in this video I want to get stuck back in the tray, see if we can get it bowled over, ready for paint and get the timber sorted out, eh? So do yourself a favour, grab your cuppa or your coldie, kick back, relax, and enjoy the video. As you can see, I've already had a start here. I've started pulling some of the timber planks off each side there. What I'm going to end up doing is I'm going to lift this off with the hoist again, get it sat on the dolly, put the tray over on that other side so I can work on away from the rest of it, and then yeah, I'll strip all the timber off this thing, get all the final welding done. There's a few more braces, like a center brace to bolt the timber down. I've got to put that in and yeah, finish welding, finish grinding, everything off, get all that sorted out, and yeah, get as far as we can with this tray for now anyway. As you've seen, I got rid of all the timber out of this tray, and this is where I was talking about for the bracings. I got these outriggers going from the main frame back to these bars here, but I don't have stabilisers going between them. Just had a look, I haven't got enough steel to do it. Well, I don't have any more of that steel left, so I'm gonna duck into town and get some. I think I'll get some 50 by 50. That's only 50 by 25, but as you can see, I've had to make risers to pick up the height of the timber anyway, so I'm thinking getting 50 by 50, tapering it down on the end there, and that'll be, I've just leveled it out and that should be the right height for the timber to bolt down to in the center. So I'll go and get some steel, come back, and yeah, we'll get those braces put in, eh? So I just got back with the steel and I slotted this bit of RHS in there, and sort of what I thought, it's ended up being the same level as those tabs that I've already welded in there. So what I'm thinking of doing is going to get rid of those tabs and then weld in, yeah, a straight piece from left to right, and then that way, yeah, the timber will have the exact same level platform to land on, and yeah, I can do away with those tabs for now. So get rid of those tabs, cut this other piece to suit, and yeah, drop these in, start welding. Got those braces welded in there. Pretty happy with the caterpillars that have been laying down there. So what I'm going to do, lift this thing up, get to the bottom, the underside of those braces where I need to weld, and a few other spots on the tray that still haven't been welded yet. So we'll get this thing lifted up and yeah, get covered in sparks, eh? Rightio legends, that time of day, got to shut it down. We'll get into tomorrow morning, eh? Rightio legends, so it's the next day. First thing I'm going to do this morning, pull the timbers out of this headboard. Then I'm going to go around, identify all the spots that need welding, clean them up, and yeah, get back to buzzing, eh? So let's get into it. Alrighty, so as you've seen, I got all the welding done for the basic frame. Actually, off camera, I went ahead and put those braces in that I was talking about. So as you can see, these are all new. These are the braces that the timber is going to pick up in the middle. So it obviously picks up on the end and the front, but it's going to actually pick up on those now. So I haven't fully welded these braces out yet. So that's the next job, is I'll probably do a bit more welding before I take the tray back off. Get the tray off, set it over there on the dolly, weld it out, blend all the welds out, and then yeah, probably put the timber back in this thing, drill all the holes to mount the timber on those two new braces, get that all sorted out, and then yeah, clean it up and get it ready for primer, I suppose. So yeah, let's get to do some more welding, eh? Alrighty legends, before we get into welding, I just want to let everyone know I've got a heap of new merch in, which includes the OG stubby coolers. I got the new style stubby coolers, hats, the t-shirts, and I also got polos and the bucket hats for those who are keen, eh? So if you want some merch, hit us up on Instagram or send us an email, bambamfabrication67@gmail.com. I'll put that link in the description anyway. So for those of you keen, hit us up, let's get in the welding. Rightio, so as you can see, I got the tray off the truck, sitting on the hoist here. Went ahead, went around everything, welded it all up, so everything should be final welded. All I gotta do is I gotta put the pieces on the inside of the tub for the wheel arches there. So I've just cut them out, got to weld them in. Once those are welded in, they're gonna bust out the grinder, clean everything up. That needs cleaned up, which is going to take a while. So yeah, I'll get these bits on the inside of the tub and then yeah, get to grinding and whatever needs cleaned up for priming, eh? Legends, that's going to do it for today. I got to shut it down, stop making noise. But as you can see, I started installing the timber slats back in this thing. Just been cleaning them up, making them a bit easier to install. So Gonna get the rest of these put in tomorrow. Like I said, I've got to drill the mounting holes in those center two braces. So like I say, we'll shut it down, get back in tomorrow and make it happen, eh? Alrighty, legends. So like I said, I've got to get the rest of these timber slats put back in here. They're probably going to need a little bit of tweaking. Some of them didn't fit the greatest first go around. It's all second-hand timber and it's sort of doing these ones. So I'll get the rest of these slats put back in there. Once they're fitted and all going easy, then like I said, I'll go ahead and drill the rest of these holes for those center two braces, rip them out, clean this thing up, get it in primer. So as you're seeing, I've got all these panels installed. I went ahead, pulled out the corner one so I can line up where to drill the other two rows of bolts. So they're out, as you can see, marked that one out. And this is how I did it, just laid a bit of inch by inch across there. And just gonna draw the line across. I'll get those two rows of holes drilled, get them tank bolts in, and move on to the next step, eh? Rightio, so as you can see, I got the extra holes drilled in these timber slats, so they're all good to come back out. I'm going to go ahead, prep the steel frame, whatever daggy bits are left over, whatever needs touching up, get that touched up, and then get it prepped up, and then hit this thing with some primer, right? Alrighty legends, that's gonna do it for this video. I'm stoked how this tray's come out. Like, it's got a bit of body work to do still on it, but the thing's looking killer in primer. The timbers are all sorted out, bolted down, really happy with it. Moving forward on the Barra, what I'm gonna do is make some longer videos, so they're not gonna be as frequent. I'm gonna, if you were keen on some long videos, so gonna give that a try. Gonna, spread them out a bit more, but they're gonna be longer videos. So we'll see how that goes. And any of you legends that have made it to the end and still haven't got any merch yet, hit your boy up, I'll sort it out. And as always, if you like what you see, do us a favour, like, comment, share and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.